Welcome back to BioWell Hub, where we explore natural ways to optimize your health from the inside out. What if I told you that the type of rice in your pantry right now could either be helping your kidneys filter toxins efficiently or making them work twice as hard? Your kidneys filter about 150 quarts of blood daily, removing waste and excess fluid. When they're overworked, toxins build up, causing fatigue, swelling, and serious complications. Today, we're breaking down the top 3 rice varieties that science suggests could be powerful allies for your kidney health. Your kidneys work around the clock, filtering waste, balancing electrolytes, and maintaining your body's pH levels. Modern diets high in processed foods and refined grains put tremendous strain on these vital organs. This is where choosing the right rice becomes crucial. Some varieties are loaded with antioxidants, others reduce inflammation, and the best ones combine multiple benefits to support your kidneys. Starting with our third pick, red rice, also known as Bhutanese red rice or Thai red cargo rice. Red rice gets its distinctive color from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants found in berries and red wine. These anthocyanins combat oxidative stress, one of the primary factors damaging kidney cells over time. Studies show anthocyanins reduce kidney inflammation and protect against cellular damage from free radicals. What makes red rice particularly beneficial is its high fiber content combined with a low glycemic index. Stable blood sugar levels are essential because elevated blood sugar is a leading cause of kidney damage. The fiber helps your digestive system eliminate toxins efficiently, reducing the burden on your kidneys. 1 cup of cooked red rice contains approximately 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber, along with magnesium and zinc that support kidney function. Rinse it thoroughly, use 2 cups water per cup of rice, and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. Incorporate it 2 to 3 times weekly with kidney-friendly vegetables like bell peppers and cauliflower. Our second choice is brown rice, the most accessible option on this list. Brown rice is white rice that hasn't been stripped of its bran and germ layers, where the nutritional magic happens. The bran contains high levels of selenium, crucial for kidney health. Selenium protects kidney tissues from oxidative damage and supports glutathione production, the body's master antioxidant. Brown rice is rich in B vitamins, particularly B6, which prevents homocysteine accumulation that can damage kidney blood vessels. The magnesium content helps regulate blood pressure, essential since high blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney disease. Research shows people who regularly consume whole grains like brown rice have lower risk of developing chronic kidney disease compared to those eating refined grains. Brown rice takes 45 to 50 minutes to cook, using 2.5 cups water per cup of rice. Enhance its benefits by cooking in vegetable broth or adding herbs like parsley and cilantro. Aim for 3 to 4 times weekly for optimal results. Now our number 1 pick, black rice, sometimes called forbidden rice because it was once reserved for Chinese emperors. Black rice is an absolute powerhouse for kidney health and detoxification. It contains the highest levels of anthocyanins of any rice variety, even more than red rice. A spoonful of black rice bran has more anthocyanin antioxidants than blueberries, with less sugar and more fiber. Studies show black rice anthocyanins significantly reduce kidney inflammation and protect against nephrotoxicity, which is kidney damage from toxins. Black rice extract improves the kidney's ability to filter waste products effectively. It's incredibly high in protein with about 9 grams per cooked cup, supporting tissue repair including damaged kidney cells. Black rice also contains iron and vitamin E, supporting healthy blood flow and protecting the filtering structures called nephrons. The exceptional fiber content binds toxins in your digestive tract and eliminates them before reaching your bloodstream, meaning your kidneys have less work to do. Black rice also regulates cholesterol levels, protecting small blood vessels in your kidneys. Cook it with 2 cups water per cup of rice for 35 to 40 minutes. Include it 2 to 3 times weekly in stir-fries, salads, or breakfast porridge. To maximize benefits, choose organic rice to avoid pesticides and heavy metals. Soak rice for 4 to 6 hours before cooking to reduce phytic acid. Avoid excessive salt, using herbs and lemon juice for flavor instead. These rice varieties work best as part of an overall kidney-friendly diet with adequate hydration, limited processed foods, and plenty of fresh vegetables and fruits. If you have existing kidney problems, consult your healthcare provider before making dietary changes. Most people report feeling more energized within 2 to 3 weeks of switching to these nutrient-dense alternatives. Black rice takes the crown with exceptional antioxidants, brown rice offers accessibility and minerals, and red rice provides anthocyanins and fiber. Rotate all 3 throughout your week for diverse nutrients your kidneys need. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to BioWell Hub for more evidence-based health content. Comment below which rice variety you're most excited to try. Your kidneys work tirelessly every day, so give them the nutritional support they deserve. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep making choices that honor your body. Then there's ricotta cheese, which is essentially concentrated whey protein in its most natural form. What makes ricotta remarkable is its leucine content, an amino acid that acts as a signal to your muscles to start building immediately. Studies have shown that seniors who incorporated ricotta into their daily routine gained significant muscle mass without changing their exercise habits. The secret is in timing. Consume it within an hour of waking to immediately shift your body from breakdown mode into building mode.